Let's see how we can use the lookup function in Google Sheets. We have the lookup function Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the serial number from 1 to 10, using the sequence function, with rows 10, columns 1, start 1, and step 1. In column B, we have the employee names, from A to J. In column C, we have the department of the employees given in column B. In cell E1, we have written employee name. We have a drop-down for the employee names in the F1 cell. So we have the list of employee names from A to J in the drop-down, same as in the B2 to B11 range. In the E2 cell, we have written department. In cell F2, we want the department of the employee selected in the F1 cell. For this, we will use the lookup function, which looks up a value. It takes search key, search range or search result array, and optional result range as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write, equal to, lookup, search key will be F1, since the value we want to search for is in the F1 cell. Comma, search range or, search result array, will be B2 to B11, since we want to search the value selected in F1 in the B2 to B11 range. Comma, result range, since we want the department, result range will be C2 to C11. We see that, for employee, A, selected in the F1 cell, we get the department D1, in the F2 cell. Now, let's say we change the employee in cell F1 to D, the department in cell F2 updates to D4. Next, if we select employee H in cell F1, the department in cell F2 changes to D3. Let's say, we check for employee J, the department is updated to D5 in cell F2. In this case, we have done a vertical lookup or search. Let's say, we have the same data arranged horizontally. We have the serial number in the first row, employee names in the second row. The department in which the employee given in the second row works, is given in the third row. Again we have the employee name written in cell H5. In cell I5, we have the drop-down for the employee names from A to J. And department written in cell H6. In cell I6, we want the department of the employee selected in the I5 cell. For this, we will again use the lookup function. Search key will be I5, because we want to search the value selected in the I5 cell. Search range will be from I2 to R2, since we want to search the value selected in the I5 cell in the I2 to R2 range. Comma, result range will be from I3 to R3, that is the department. We see that, for employee, A, selected in I5 cell, we get the department D1, in the I6 cell. Let's say, we change the employee selected in I5 cell to B, the department is changed to D2, in the I6 cell. Next, if we change the employee selected in I5 cell to H, the department is updated to D3, in the I6 cell. Let's say, we check for employee I, the department is updated to D5 in the cell I6. So, we have done a horizontal lookup or search as well. Using the lookup function, we can perform both vertical and horizontal search or lookup. Using the VLOOKUP function, we could only do vertical lookup. Using the HLOOKUP function, we could only do horizontal lookup, but using the lookup function, we could do both vertical and horizontal lookup. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the lookup function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.